Social care provides support to people of all ages, living in communities across Wales, day and night, 365 days a year. People access care and support for various reasons. It could be to get support to establish safe and stable environments, to manage their physical and mental health, or to live independently. Unpaid carers, who provide care and support to family members or friends, can also access social care. The term social care covers a range of activities, such as practical and emotional support, providing information, advice and equipment, safeguarding, and personal care. Social care can take place in a range of settings, including people's homes, care homes, day centres, hospitals, or in other community locations. It's provided by organisations including local authorities, private companies, charities, and not-for-profit organisations. A significant amount of care is also provided by unpaid carers. Tens of thousands of highly skilled, well-qualified professionals work in social care in more than 75 roles. Most social care workers in Wales must register with Social Care Wales and follow codes of professional practice. The codes set standards of behaviour to support people's safety and well-being. Social care workers support people to express what's important to them and set goals by building meaningful relationships that value people's experiences, language, and culture. They support people to identify and make the most of their personal strengths, skills, and support networks, including family, friends, and resources in their local community. They work with people in crisis situations and over the longer term. Social care organisations work with other professions, such as health, education, and the police, to provide services with integrity, empathy, and expertise.
A social care worker to me would be amazing, fantastic, and caring, and help me live a normal life.
To find out more about social care, visit socialcare.wales. Want a career in care? Visit wecare.wales.